Hey everybody, welcome back to my Python 3 for Beginners tutorial series. In this video we're going to be going over sets. Sets are a lot like lists, except one of the main differences is that you can't repeat anything in a set like you can in a list. You can't have the same value twice, basically. So let me show you. If we were going to make a grocery list, let's say, we can do groceries equals, and then we're going to use these curly braces, which is also one of the differences compared to a list. So let's say I wanted milk, butter, bread, and eggs. And I print groceries. And I run that. And you're going to see it printed my entire set. Now, if I put butter again, let's say, and I hit play again, you'll see it still only put butter the one time. Now, what's interesting is it put it the second time, so it completely skipped it the first time, and it just went bread, eggs, milk, and butter. And it completely on its own ignored having a second butter in there. So it will only do one, and you can do this multiple times. So if I do eggs again, and I hit play, you'll see it still only does eggs one time. Now this is a very nice feature to have, because let's say you're doing something like a grocery list app, or if you're wanting to do an app that stored the titles of movies and something accidentally gets put in twice, and then it's up to this set to print it out, well, you'll see that it'll only print just the one item of it, so that's good to have. You can also use these with if statements. So if I wanted to check and see what was in this particular grocery list, if I put milk in groceries, put print it's in there, else print it's not in there. And when I run that, you'll see it says it's in there because it tested for milk, which is indeed in there. Now let's say I wanted to change it and say cereal. Oops, if I can spell cereal. And I'll hit play, and you'll see it says it's not in there, so the if statement is working as it's supposed to. So again, in a set, you can't repeat things. I mean, you can actually put it in here more than once in the set, but it won't print it out more than one time. So you can't have duplicates in a set, and also use these curly braces. Alrighty, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the bell so that you can see if I put up more new videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.